What's up, future builders and tech dreamers? Welcome back to Talking Tech, where we break down the latest in innovation, gadgets, and digital culture all through the lens of Gen Z. I'm Michael with Emily, and today we're diving into something straight out of a sci-fi movie, smart cities. Now, when you hear smart cities, you might think flying cars, glowing skyscrapers, or like that city from Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. But here's the thing. Smart cities aren't just a Marvel fantasy. They're being built right now, all over the world. So today, we'll unpack what a smart city actually is, how it's changing the way we live, and most importantly, what it means for us as Gen Z. Because guess what? By the time these futuristic cities fully roll out, we're the ones who'll be running the show. All right, let's plug in. Okay, so what's the deal with smart cities? Simply put, a smart city uses technology, data, and AI to improve everyday life. We're talking smarter transport systems that cut traffic, cleaner energy grids that reduce pollution, sensors that monitor air quality, and even tell the city when to fix potholes. Homes connected to everything, from your fridge to your front door. Imagine living in a city where the traffic lights adapt in real time to reduce jams, or where trash bins send an alert when they're full so no garbage piles up on the streets. That's smart city energy. And listen, it's not just fancy tech for the rich. The ultimate goal is sustainability, inclusivity, and making urban life better for everyone.
Now let's zoom into some real-world examples because yes, these cities exist. First, Singapore. Singapore is basically the poster child of smart cities. They've got traffic management powered by AI, sensors that track everything from cleanliness to crowd control, and even digital twins, a full 3D model of the entire city that helps them plan better. Next, we have Songdo, South Korea. This city was built from scratch to be smart. Homes have built-in waste disposal systems where your trash disappears underground, no garbage trucks needed. We also have Dubai, UAE. You know Dubai always goes big. They're working on blockchain-based government services, AI police bots, and even drone taxis. And then Masdar City, Abu Dhabi. Designed to be one of the most sustainable cities in the world, focusing on renewable energy and zero carbon living. And guess what? Even Africa is getting in on the action. Konza Technopolis in Kenya is being called the Silicon Savannah. They're building it to attract tech companies and create thousands of jobs for young people. Here's the real talk. Why should we, as Gen Z, care about smart cities? First, climate change. Our generation is already stressed about the planet, right? Smart cities can cut emissions, save energy, and fight pollution. That's literally our future health on the line. Second, jobs. Tech, engineering, urban planning, sustainability consulting, all booming industries connected to smart cities. Third, digital lifestyle. We're the most online generation ever. Living in a city where everything is connected? That's like our natural habitat. But here's the twist. Smart cities also raise big concerns. Think about it. If the city is tracking traffic, air, and utilities, does that mean you're also being tracked? Privacy, data ownership, and even digital surveillance are huge debates.
Okay, time for some fun. Because tech always has its weird side. Imagine your city knows your coffee habits. Every morning, the streetlights turn green on your way to Starbucks. Or your fridge automatically orders groceries because it senses you're out of oat milk. Or, plot twist, AI traffic cops sending you a ticket before you even realize you ran that red light. Yikes. But here's the bigger picture. In the future, smart cities could include underground hyperloops, vertical farms feeding millions, and AI mayors making decisions based on data, not politics. Crazy or cool? I'll let you decide. Now, let's get personal. If you're in university right now or just vibing with your career path, here's how you can actually prepare for the smart city wave. Study skills like AI, data analytics, or sustainable engineering. Think about careers in urban planning or green energy. And most importantly, stay flexible. Smart cities will change how we live, but the key skill is being adaptable.
So, to wrap this all up, smart cities aren't a fantasy. They're being built right now. Cleaner streets, smarter transport, more sustainable living. But it's not just about the tech. It's about who controls the data, who has access, and whether these cities truly serve the people or just the elites. At the end of the day, the future of smart cities depends on us, Gen Z. We'll be the ones designing them, living in them, and hopefully, keeping them ethical and inclusive. Thanks for tuning in to Talking Tech. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to share it with your squad. Drop a heart or thumbs up if you liked it. Until then, keep dreaming, keep building, and remember, the future is ours to design.